Okay, so in this video we'll be doing a question on ratio equations, and this is for the GCSE higher paper, and typically about 3 marks, sometimes 4 marks. So we've got a ratio here, so let me just copy that. So we have x plus 3 to 3x minus 1, and that equals 4 to 7. And we need to work out a value of x that satisfies this ratio equation. And the method for this is that if we were given, for example, a ratio, let's suppose we had a to b and we were told that that was, say, 2 to 7. So that's a ratio, and we can always convert this into an equation as follows. You simply do a over b equals 2 over 7, and this allows us to now solve for a and b, and we're going to do exactly the same thing for this. So if I just get rid of this, so over here let's convert this ratio into an equation. You do x plus 3 over 3x minus 1, that's that over that, equals this over this, so that would be 4 over 7. And now that it's been turned into an equation, we can just solve this. So we'll begin by cross multiplying. So let's put 7 bracket x plus 3. So here the 7 has timesed up to this side over here, equals 4 bracket 3x minus 1, and that's the 3x minus 1 over here is timesed up behind the 4. And now we can just expand, so we get 7x plus 21 equals 12x minus 4, and let's bring the x's to the left, so we get 7x, and we'll minus over this 12x, equals, so we have a minus 4 first, and the plus 21 we're going to minus it over to become a minus 21. So we'll simplify both sides. So on the left we get minus 5x equals, and here we get minus 25, and then we get x equals minus 25 divide minus 5, and finally x is 5. So this is the answer, and that's finished. But let's just see why this is the answer. X equals 5. So we had here was the original question, there was the ratio. Now if we replace x with a 5, I'll just do it on top. So we have x plus 3 to 3 bracket 5 minus 1, and let's just work out what this is. So 5 plus 3 is an 8, and this is 15 minus 1 is a 14. And 8 to 14 actually simplifies. If we divide it both by 2, we get 4 to 7, which is what we were looking for over here. So that's the reason why x equals 5 is the answer.